Evelyn. Nice to see you. It's Mrs. G. I'm out doing one of my favorite activities. It's fishing. So coming up in this video, I will show you different parts to the fishing rod, different ways to fish, and then just talk about different things about fishing. I hope you're enjoying your time. One other thing is if you do go fishing, you need to have a fishing license. And then I noticed on my way down here to go fishing, there was some litter and things, so I'm going to make this place better than I found it. So I will take a picture of some of the litter I pick up and then attach it on the video. Alright, so I'm going to show you the different parts of a fishing pole. You just have your rod right here. This is a spinning reel. If you're fishing, some of you might have a reel that has like a top on it, and that's just fine too. And then at the end you obviously have the hook and some bait. So I will show you how to cast out. Basically just grab the line with your finger, open up the bail, kind of swing your arm back and release, and then send it out into the middle of wherever you're fishing. Alright, so I just did a little bit quick cleanup where I was fishing, and I found quite a bit of litter in a very short amount of time. With Earth Day being this week, I just wanted to talk about different kinds of litter. This right here is something I found. It's fishing line, and it may look like it could be harmless, but actually it's really bad because ducks and birds can get caught up in it. It can wrap around their feet or even their bill. Fish can also get wrapped up in it, and it's just not respectful to leave stuff out like this. This is something super easy. Just pick it up, put it in your pocket, and when you're done with it, find a proper trash receptacle. These other items, I found a plastic bag, some styrofoam, and some other things like a plastic bottle. So I'll just grab those and quick throw them away when I'm done. And if you're out fishing or even riding your bike, playing outside, just little things like this can help the earth. All right, see ya.